welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thanks for stopping by as well. My name is Milani Contour. As you already know, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new tutorial up on my channel. This look was inspired by someone on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the the name of her channel on the screen so you can go check her out. And I made a mistake with the eye look, and I'm gonna say that in a bit. So when I was cleaning my eyes, the concealer that I used got stained by the crease color that I used, which was like a matte lipstick, and that made the white color not come out well. So I know it's looking like a gradient, but this wasn't what I was going for, but this should work. So just in case, so you don't judge me. Anyways, and I didn't want to clean everything and start all over, so I was like, well, it's not that bad, you get. And then I kind of like smoked out my lower lashes, and I don't know, I'm not like totally 100% with this look because of the mistake that I made on my lids, but let's just go with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If by now you're still not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, why not just subscribe? Just subscribe. So hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified every time I have a new tutorial. Make sure to also check out my channel so you can see all the videos that I've made so far and watch some. I'm also going to leave the links to some of them in the description box. And please, I always leave the product details in the description box because it's difficult editing their names on the screen, so I feel it's easier to just put them in the description box. So please make sure to check the description box if you want to find out all the product that I used. Just before I go, I got this Flawless IV foundation, and this was my first time using it, so tell me if you like it on my face because I'm not quite feeling. Maybe it's because it's my first time, but I mean, I've used some foundations for the first time and I was like really in sync with them, but this one, it's matte. Like I couldn't even use my beauty blender. I had to use a brush to kind of like blend everything out, and I used very little because this is exactly not my shade. It's like a tad bit lighter, but I went for this because I think I got darker because of the whole stress and the sun, but very soon my face color should match with this. So instead of going for a dark one like I did when I was using my classic, and I regretted that because I always have to mix, but this is good because I'm going to get fairer anyways. So what else? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and follow me on all my social media handles. They're gonna be here, and yeah, let's be friends. I'm also going to leave the link to every one of them in the description box, so make sure to check that out so you can have like a more direct redirection to my pages, and you can follow me. I follow back. So yeah, let's get started. And yeah, if you haven't watched my how I film my YouTube videos, so to say, make sure to check the link in my description box or visit my channel and like watch the videos. I think it should be like the third one before the second one after this. You know, counting from this, it should be the third one. And well, I'm gonna still refilm that because that was just more about the app that I use to record my videos as against like the proper setup, you get. So the next one I'm going to be doing, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be filming from that side so you can see my ring light, see my phone. And then so the reason why I didn't do that was because I use my phone to record, so I don't have a camera. So if I'm going to do that, I'll have to use like another phone to record, so you can see how I set up. And yeah, so if you're interested in that video, because I know a lot of people are interested, and those videos happen to be like my the most engaged videos so far on my channel. So well, one of the most engaged videos on my channel so far, so that's really good. So I have two already, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check them and watch them out if you're starting out on YouTube and you need like some advice, some apps to use, don't worry, I got you. So everything is in the description box, but I'll be doing a more detailed one about my filming setup. I just need to figure something out. So anyways, love you guys, take care of yourselves, bye. Hi guys, so I'm using a dark purple lipstick as my base, and I'm applying that on my crease, and I'll be winging this out. I went on to use my pencil brush to blend this out. You want to do this first before applying your eyeshadow, because if it dries it becomes hard to blend. Going into my BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, the 12th edition I think, and I use the dark purple color on my crease. I went on to use a light purple to blend out the edges, just so everything is seamless. I'm using a peach colored concealer on my lid. I know it looks white, but it's actually peach, and I'm using that to cut out my crease. And as you can see, I winged it out, leaving some corners at the bottom part purple, because I wanted like an halo winged. I don't know what I'm going to call this look, but yeah, just look at what I'm doing anyways. I went into my BBRose Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I used a matte white color to set my lid. And you want to do this as careful as possible, but if you apply white color on your crease, you can always go in with your eyeshadow buffing brush, blending brush, and then just dust it off, and that's it. I went on to use the dark purple eyeshadow and an eyeliner pencil just to define that crease better. Now I'm priming my face with a primer. Once I've done that, I'll be going into foundation application. For foundation I'll be using the Flawless Ivy foundation in Beige, and it's a tad bit lighter than I am, but it's good, it's okay. So to apply it, I'm using a foundation buffing brush, because Beauty Blender didn't do justice with this foundation. Concealer, I'm using LA Girl Cosmetics LA Girl Concealer Pro Concealer Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and I'm applying it on all the areas that I would normally highlight, which are under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to apply this on those areas, and you want to take your time and make sure you blend this out well. Set my concealer. I'll be using the Nye Luxury powder in banana with a beauty blender that I used, and I'm just setting all the areas that I highlighted with concealer. Next, I'm using my face powder all over my face, and I'll be using that to dust off excess powder from my face, just because we want that matte look. Everything should be matte. Yeah. I've applied my lipstick, I've done my bottom lash line, I've contoured, so I went on to apply highlights. Because this video was getting too long, I had to remove that part of the video. But yeah, now I'm setting my face with a setting spray, and that's it, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.